Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Fable on the guitar. We'll start by breaking down the core chords and the main strumming pattern that gives the song its distinctive feel. You'll discover how to transition smoothly between these chords, building a solid foundation for the entire piece. Get ready to strum along and bring this beautiful melody to life right from the beginning. Now let's focus on the essential chords: G, C, D, and M. These four chords form the backbone of Fable, appearing throughout the verses and chorus. Pay close attention to your finger placement for clear notes. For the strumming, try a consistent down-down up-up-down pattern. Practice slowly at first, ensuring each strum is even and your chord changes are fluid. This rhythm is key to capturing the song's energy. Moving beyond the basic chords, let's explore the beautiful main melody of Fable. This melody is quite accessible and adds a wonderful layer to your playing. We'll also look at incorporating some simple techniques like hammer-ons and pull-offs. These small embellishments can really make the song shine and give it that authentic feel. Practice these sections slowly to ensure precision and musicality. To truly master Fable, consistent practice is crucial. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes each day, focusing on smooth chord transitions and maintaining a steady rhythm. Don't forget to use a metronome. It's an invaluable tool for improving your timing. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this song confidently in no time. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.